Hey you guys, Sylvia here and welcome all to my James and Max end of year special review. Did I say it the right way? James and Max end of year special, yeah. Yeah, I said, review, right? It's not a review as such, it's just a heads up of this great opportunity, guys. Well, to give you a heads up with regards to this great offer. Okay, these guys, James Renouf and Max Gashtemaya, have put together, as we are approaching the end of the year. It's sort of like a Christmas bundle, or however we put it. Okay, they say on the sales page they'll keep it short and sweet, and so will I. Alright then guys, so you will get access to the sales page via my written review. So this is my written review you're looking at right now. It is going live tomorrow. So the 10th of December. Is it the American way that you put the month first and the day? I guess it is. Surely not the English way. Anyhow, not that I'm that English. Right, but I have lived in England for so long. I feel like a London girl. Okay guys, so $29. The front end price. There will be a few offers, but in essence, guys, what you're getting access here to is all of the launches these guys have put together, released in 2024. Not only are you getting the giveaway, not only are you getting the lifetime access to all of the products, but what's like most splendid here is the giveaway rights to all of the award-winning 2024 products. So award-winning, all of them got the Warrior Plus Deal of the Day award. Okay, they sold like hot cross buns and all of that, and I love the fact that they added the giveaway rights to this offer, to all of the previous launches. I'll show you all of the launches. And the great thing is that you can give them away as bonuses, or you can use them as lead magnets. Imagine the whole product as a lead magnet, a great way to grow your email list. So there you go, guys. This is quite a funny video. I think Max was pretending he was getting stuck, or maybe he did it on purpose. Funny one, he made me laugh. Or it just came out very natural, I don't know. So what you're getting access here to is GPT Store Exposed, Anonymous AI, AInfluencer, Recurring AI, AI Agents Exposed, Instant Dash Cash, Schoolify, Slide Cash Loophole, and Niche Profit Secrets. And I believe that's around 9 products. So click this button here, guys, to get access to it for $29 only. Access to all of the 2024 products, and I have reviewed every single of those products. So if you want to watch all of the 9 reviews I've done on those products, feel free to do so. Okay, you will find them all on my channel. Right guys, even if you say got 5 of them, it will still worth getting this deal, because for $29 you will get access to 4 additional products, if you know what I mean, if you've got only 5 of them in the past. And yeah, you've got it all nicely put together in my written review, which is right below this YouTube review. And here is the funnel. So the 29, guys, you're getting all of the AI solutions, training courses, done for you tools, and giveaway rights to those. So to all of those systems from 2024. And then you will have a few upsells that are all listed here on my written review. So go through them. Some of them are pretty cool and quite affordable too. Like you're getting, because with this offer, you're getting access to 9 of the front end offers. Okay. And then with one of the upsells, you can get access to all of the upsells to those 9 offers. So that's an insane value. But go through the funnel, see what you like, and also I put together quite an insane bundle package for you guys as well. All of these bonuses have been put together by me. I created them. You will not find them anywhere else. I give you access to 6 super cool bonuses. So go pick it up. I'm just gonna say that if you have the right mindset and you have the action taker approach, this is gonna be one of the greatest Christmas gifts you can give to yourself. If you're interested in making money online, if you're interested in making money in that niche, making money online in that MMO, so make money online niche, right? So then of course picking up this product would be I guess a no-brainer. You can go through them one by one or just pick some of them, take action, and then go back to the rest when you're ready, but you will have them. Well, you will have them forever because it's lifetime access. These are the things, systems which work currently, which will work in 2025 as well. So yeah. Okay guys, cool. Love you and leave you. And again, if you check out this written review and want to go to the offer, then from this, like get the best price or buy now, if you click through that button, you're gonna be taken to the sales page, and once the product goes live tomorrow on the 10th of December, just click this button, click here to join, and voila, the product is yours. The products, I should say, really. Alright guys, bye!